Meet Jamila Ruma, a 21-year-old who was elected mayor after the tragic death of her father.
Po yung dad ko, never niya inimpose na enter ako ng politics. Wala rin po siya actually sa plans ko in the near future. Pero here I am now.
Jamila substituted her father's candidacy after he was shot dead on April 23 during their campaign sortie in Barangay Iluro Sur.
Yes, nag-file po ako ng COC ko April 29, 2025, which is the supposed 55th birthday of my dad. As for my campaign journey naman po, for security and safety reasons, hindi na po ako lumabas ng aking mother para mag-campaign. Instead, nagkaroon po kami ng mga volunteers through offline and online sa social media. Tapos, mga voice recorded messages po umikot sa mga bara-barangay para kahit pa paano ma-continue pa rin yung campaign sorties namin. Things happened so suddenly. Tapos yung tragic incident, still replays, it's still vivid in my mind. Pero through prayers naman po and a solid support system ng family, relatives, friends, and supporters, somehow I am able to push through, manage my emotions, and focus po on planning.
Now poised to take the mayoral seat of Rizal, Cagayan, Jamila is aiming to continue her father's plans, including the extension of Cagayan State University in their municipality.
Honestly, I feel really overwhelmed. I'm still at a loss for words. Everything is happening all at once. Kasi I have to deal with trauma, grieving, and also handle the responsibilities that will come with my incoming position po. Pangarap po ni late Mayor Joel magkaroon ng state college or extension po ng Cagayan State University. Kasi sa ngayon po, wala po kaming college dito sa aming bayan. Yung sunod naman po is yung agrikultura. Dito po kasi sa aming bayan, ang pangunahing produkto ay mais. I want to strengthen po yung mga existing na farmer cooperative para mas madali po maka-access ang aming mga magsasaka, produkto at services mula sa gobyerno. And lastly naman po is yung health pangkalusugan. Pangarap po ni Mayor na magkaroon ng sariling district hospital sa aming bayan. Actually, when the tragic incident happened, pinakamalapit na district hospital sa amin, malayo at least 30 minutes away. So, kung sana yung bayan namin may sariling district hospital, siguro mas nailaban ng aking ama yung kanyang buhay.
Jamila believes that public service knows no age. This is her message to the youth and to the people of Rizal, Cagayan.
Of course, I encourage the youth po to take part in public service. Dahil sabi ni Gato sa Rizal, ang kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan. So, I believe that us, the Gen Z or the millennials po, should step up kasi ang future natin is now in our hands. I may be young, but public service knows no age. As long as you are determined, committed, and have the genuine intention to serve your people, guided by God, and also supported by my mother, Vice Mayor Brenda. To the people of Rizal, I promise to carry on my father's legacy with the same heart and dedication he served you with. To the young generations listening to me right now, I hope that my story will serve as a symbol of strength. The future is now in our hands. May we lead with courage, wisdom, and goodness. And most especially to my late father, Mayor Attorney Joel A. Ruma. Daddy, please continue to watch over and guide me, Mommy, and Pia as we take on a new chapter of our lives without you.